Hello! If you are in need of an official transcript, here is how to request one. First, log into your Classic Student Center through Main Street. You will find this drop-down menu labeled Other Academic. For official transcript requests, you will select Transcript Request Official. You will be brought to this next page where you will select your institution. In this example, we will select University of Maine. You will then move on to select processing options. The options are 1 degree confer date, which means transcripts will be printed and mailed after all UMaine degrees have been awarded at the end of the term. The second option is grade posting, where transcripts will be printed and mailed after all UMaine grades have been submitted. And finally, immediate processing, where transcripts will be printed and mailed out on the following business day. You can select how many you want to order by typing in the quantity. You can order up to 10 per request, and there is no fees for the transcripts. For recipient address information, you are able to select the address that you have on file, or you can select mail to someone else. If you choose this option, you will need to enter the name of the recipient, then click on Enter Address to fill in that information. Then click OK. Confirm that the information on the screen is correct, then hit Submit. If you need any assistance, please reach out to the Office of Student Records, and they'll be able to assist you.